Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
OTG means on the go, and it lets your phone act as a USB host. You use OTG to connect drives, keyboards, and audio interfaces directly. Many phones stop accepting external power while in host mode by default. That behavior prevents concurrent charging and USB host use. The solution uses a powered accessory with USB-C power delivery pass-through. Look for hubs or cables supporting PD at 5V/3A or higher. Use 18W or greater chargers for reliable charge while using OTG peripherals. Select a powered USB hub that explicitly supports USB-C PD pass-through and OTG. Choose hubs with USB 3.0 ports if you need fast data transfer. An OTG-Y cable can work on some phones, but often lacks true PD negotiation. If you use a Y cable, ensure your phone supports host mode and external power together. Pick a charger rated 18W, 30W, or 60W depending on your device and hub. Always use quality USB-C PD cables to allow safe power negotiation. First, enable OTG in your phone settings if an option exists under connections. Next, connect your PD charger to the hub's PD input or PD-in port on the adapter. Then attach the hub to your phone using a quality USB-C cable supporting PD and data lines. Plug your USB peripheral into the hub and watch for charging indicators on your phone. Confirm the peripheral mounts and is functional before intensive use. When finished, safely unmount storage and then remove cables to avoid data corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.